passports? Okay, we have to go back.
All right, you guys.
All right.
Cheers to a wonderful, wonderful vacation. Excellent people.
Oh, and before I forget,
it couldn't be better.
Mexico!
Down the hatch.
All right, guys, we're gonna eat bougie tonight. We're gonna go to the big fancy restaurante, the Crystal. Let's see, right? Going to the fancy restaurant tonight?
That's right.
I mean, that's how we roll.
We're hungry too.
We're starving. I don't know what'll be. I don't know what they're gonna have, but
I can't read it. Look at it.
it's in Spanish. I can't read it, baby.
Pumpkin soup with scallops. I can read that.
A what?
Pumpkin soup with scallops.
Oh no. Pumpkin soup. I can't. Pumpkin soup? Oh Lord. Starters to share. They got an Iberian ham with crispy bread. Appetizers. Pumpkin soup with scallops. Or hamachi. Oh Lord. I ain't never seen nothing like this. So we'll do more on this later.